Does anybody else have a problem with little pink dots showing up in their weather map? Each one of those pink dots and blue dots is a NEXRAD tower. And if you're wondering why it changes from light snow to freezing rain, ask the people that run these NEXRAD towers. This is not your normal weather picture. Here's some more towers. Right there's the circular image. Another tower, Atlanta. Another tower. Right there. This exactly matches the location of the different microwave NEXRAD Tesla technology towers that are all over this country, creating and controlling our weather. Believe it or not, the evidence is right before your eyes. Yeah, since when is snow normal in New Orleans, Atlanta, Mississippi, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina? Where and when in the history books is it normal for this weather? I don't know how visible the color is, but right up on the edge of these clouds is pinkish cast and a vivid blue as the chemical components of this clouds are breaking down, and the index of refraction is different from one chemical to another. Also, look at my huge pile of snow on that roof. Whew. Yeah. Now, let's see. Here's our Made in Michigan sign with the snowflakes hitting the lens. This one's not running.
Is that where you got off?
Yeah. Well, here is our chemtrailed skies for today. And you can see the frequencies in the clouds. These birds don't like it too well. They're all going away. Got a major migration of the birds. And there's my old roof line with all the snow that we've got in the last couple of days. This stuff has plastic in it or something to hold it together like that. I already did my own burning snow video, but to show you what kind of plastic content might be in this snow, you need to kind of wonder, how in the heck is this stuff still hanging together? There's been wind blowing this pile of snow off of my railing, but it hasn't fell yet. Gravity is not enough to pull this snow down from where it's hanging. That must weigh about 5 pounds at least.